especially during nesting season.
Yeah. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
Okay, so this car is not as far forward as the car was the other day.
Yes, the other day when we were at this intersection.
He's about where I like to be.
That's comfortable to me.
Sometimes FSD pulls out like the other car.
Too far, yeah.
Or not enough. Like, do not go. Do not go. Nope. We can go after these cars. There we go. Okay. Well, a little rough exit.
A little bit.
I give it maybe another 6 months before they readjust the speed on this road.
To 45.
Yeah, since they're already building businesses and stuff out here.
Yeah, that's a fair criticism.
Because 55 through here is way too
pretty quick.
For this much incoming
pretty
and outgoing
quick,
traffic.
yeah.
And I'm watching most people naturally speed down.
Yeah. They're kind of slowing down, you say?
Yeah, like naturally, because again, you have a lot of traffic coming on and off.
Yeah.
Which is nice to see that people are compassionate.
Mm-hmm.
No? Oh, it was very hesitant there. I almost thought for half a second we were going on the freeway.
I was gonna say, you caught me off guard too. I was going obviously over, meeting you on the outside. And then when you slowed down like it used to do, I was like, man, kind of caught me off guard. Like, whoa, hello.
Where'd she go? Lady McQueen.
Where are we? Oh, there we are.
A lot of Teslas out today.
For the Sunday drives.
Wonder if a lot of people got them for the New Year.
Maybe. Is it their Christmas presents?
You mean New Year's presents?
New Year's resolution. I'm not going to buy gas in the new year.
Right.
It's a good New Year's resolution.
This footage should be really pretty with the sun poking through the clouds like that.
Heck yeah.
I always laugh at that giant eagle above that garage. Caw. I don't know if they actually sold it or not, because they still have their welcome rock. Or if they still just haven't moved yet.
Maybe.
Slowing down for the Phantom. There's something in the road. And it looked sharp.
Not today. Jesus.
Sorry.
What?
Having an ADHD moment. Ha la la la. Still haven't fixed that garage door all these months. Piece of wood will just do it, apparently.
They might not have the money.
I'd be curious if the wood does a better job blocking the wind.
Actually, it might. I feel like that actually...
Because that is where the wind comes from. Is that direction.
It might.
trip. No. I'm getting much better at that. There's a lot less panic in my voice.
Practice makes perfect.
Practice every morning when I go to work. I like drive days like this where there's no one on the road.
It's nice.
Speed okay?
Yep.
This is why you could never move this country girl to the big city. Just eventually let the big city grow up around the country so she acclimates to it.
It's like boiling water.
Correct. Cooking a frog in boiling water. I learned that that's not a phrase that people in the Northwest use.
Mm-mm.
People look at me really strange when I use that. I'm like, that must be a Southern phrase. No? Okay. Same with colder than a witch's tit out here.
It is.
Phantom braking again. £50 bag of ice melt for $17. It's a pretty good deal, actually.
That's not too bad.
This looks like another storage unit. I may tell you a storage unit story, but it is not safe for
Camera.
camera. Now people are listening are going, wait, I want to hear.
You're right.
All right, does it do it? So
We need to stay in the left lane here
We need to
and
slow
go
down a little bit.
into this roundabout.
Left lane staying. Excellent. Making good choices so far. Need to yield. Yield. Go if we're gonna go. Excellent. We stayed in the correct lane. Oh my God, is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? A little close to the edge there, but that's okay. Yay!
Miracles.
We did it! It's a New Year's miracle. Oh my god, we did it. I don't know if it intended to, but it did it.
It did it.
It did try to throw a turn signal, then it stopped halfway, so I'm not sure what that was about.
Take it. Well, you guys, if you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another aerial full self-drive perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack.
And that was an intervention-free drive.
You had to tap on the accelerator a couple times, right?
Yeah, but I don't really count that. I didn't have to disengage the system. The only time I disengaged was for that sharp bit that was in the road that I don't even think I would have seen it, like, because it was black and it was sticking up.
Gotcha.
But that's it.
Nice.
Like, at that point, you're blocking the left side, so. And then I'm going to do this because there's a piece of cardboard or wood or something. Just don't need to remove. Excellent drive. Yay, did the roundabout.
Woohoo.
Woohoo. Can't believe we got that on camera.
I know.